Attacking a slow second serve. So you're on the other side of somebody hitting a very slow second serve and you know it's coming. This is an opportunity to attack. It's an opportunity to take advantage of the second serve. It's an opportunity to put a lot of pressure on that server. Opponent over there misses the first serve. First thing you do, step forward. Why? Because this ball is going to be slow. It's not going to bounce you back here. If you wait back here, you're hitting the ball down here. If you let the ball drop down here and a very slow ball, you get loose and you're popping it up and you're just sending it back. You want to be aggressive. And I'm doing it on this side if you're a right-hander, because here's the other thing you can do. Server over there thinks, okay, serve to the back. I'm serving to the backhand side. They hit that slow second serve. You're stepping out. Here's my forehand. What am I going to do? I'm going to send a deep ball back to their backhand, assuming again they're right-hander. Even if they are left-handed, I am pulling them out wide. So if I'm the server on the other side and I've hit my slow second serve, I do not want to be back here hitting defensive. Look how far off the court I am and look how much space I've opened up over there. So you, the returner, are going to try and exploit that. What are you going to do? You come in, so say you take the ball early and you are trying to swing through with confidence up here and follow through towards your target. You are not trying to hit a winner. You are not trying to hit the ball as hard as you can because, oh, I'm really going to kill this. You are trying to hit an aggressive shot. You're going to take the ball early. Aggressive, pushes them deep. Taking it early gives the server less time. The next time they serve against you, they're going to be worried about this. They might miss their serve. They might hit the serve even slower. Every time you receive a slow second serve, it's an opportunity to be aggressive, put yourself in a good position to win the point.